On the porch, Grandpa watches the sunset's hues of orange and purple, a tranquil scene with Mimi dozing at his feet. The gentle chirping of crickets fills the dusk air, enhancing the serene atmosphere. His eyes drifts towards the neighboring field, where tiny flickering lights begin to dance. His eyes widen in surprise, a silent times gasp times escaping his lips as he witnesses the ethereal display. The mysterious lights flicker, casting an enchanting glow over the tranquil, darkening landscape. The field glows softly under pulsating night lanterns, their light painting the tall grass and wildflowers with a gentle, warm hue. Lilit emerges from the house, her silhouette a dark frame against the inviting, golden doorway. "Those are night lanterns, Grandpa. Magical fireflies," Lilit says, her voice soft in the quiet night. Grandpa speaks of bravery and darkness, a hint of ancient wonder in his eyes as he shares his secrets. A shadow crosses her face as she quietly reveals, "They've lost their glowing tree," her words hanging in the still air. Night's inky curtain falls upon the field, the tall grass whispering secrets to the darkness. Mimi's silhouette leads, a fragile figure against the vast horizon. Lilit shuffles behind, her kerosene lantern cutting through the gloom with flickering light. The wind howls as Grandpa's voice pierces the night. "We have to find it!" The pool of light dances, revealing the determination etched on their faces. Each step forward is a desperate plea against the encroaching darkness. In the open field, Mimi halts, her barks echoing towards a dark form sprawled on the earth. The glowing tree lies on its side, its radiant roots exposed to the fading light. Grandpa stares at the fallen tree, a determined glint in his eyes as he assesses the challenge. His voice firm, he declares, "We need to lift it," the words hanging in the still air. The enormity of the task dawns as they face the glowing tree, a silent question passing between them. Lilit and Grandpa strain against the immense weight, their muscles screaming, faces flushed with exertion. With a final, desperate push, the tree slowly rises, its ancient roots seeking the soil. The massive tree finds its upright position, a silent victory etched in their exhausted smiles. As if in response, the fireflies awaken, their tiny lights beginning to flicker. The field explodes with magical light, a vibrant testament to their shared strength and perseverance. Night lanterns dance, painting the field with a breathtaking, ethereal glow. Bathed in the enchanting light, Mimi and Grandpa stand together, their faces radiant with joy. The air crackles with magic as the lanterns swirl, creating a spectacle of wonder. Hearts brimming with warmth, they witness the night come alive with pure enchantment.